Hello dears, you are welcome to Learning Bootstrap 4 video series. In this tutorial I will teach you what is the image and what is the jumbotron, how we use the image in Bootstrap and how use jumbotron in the our responsive website. These are can we use on making our website. The image in Bootstrap use three types: rounded, circle, thumbnail. Three types in our website we can use the image of any kind of image. Let me see. Next, jumbotron. A jumbotron indicates a big gravy box for the calling extra attention of some special contexts of informations. Inside a jumbotron you can put nearly any text HTML including bootstrap element and classes. That can show mine of page jumbotron it is the big gray box. You can also include any text on it to HTML like display your image, anything what you want to display on your website according to your wish. Let's see it. That is jumbotron of your website like HTML, bootstrap tutorial for the video. You can also include these text on here and h1 text on your jumbotrons. Let's check how you can code it. In jumbotron we use div class container, div class jumbotron, h1 bootstrap tutorial for one, h close paragraph we use one paragraph for it. You can also use two paragraph, depend on you how much you paragraph use for it. Just copy and paste it, two paragraph. Then close div tag and close div tag. Let's play at run on Chrome browser. You can see it, two jumbotron use. Mostly we use one because it's going to show you big, like look it, it's show little big. We remove that one. Now check it, run Chrome browser, check it, it is the jumbotron. Now let's see image. What is the image? Here we come. Let's run check the image. There are three types of image we use in this project: rounded, circle, thumbnail. These three images we use. Let's check how we code it on that image. In body, mostly we use that in making a class in body tag. Div class container, h2 image, paragraph, h2 close, h2 start, h2 close, paragraph, anything you can use here. Image, source, image name where is located, and what kind image you have, PNG, GIF and JPG. Class rounded, alert, wealth, height, it is wealth, it is height, how much height on that page, how much is wealth. You can resize it depending on your requirement. Suppose we can make it big, little 400, and also we use that 400. Check it. Because it's displayed 40, we use here 40, missing one digital, it was there, show that kind. You can see 40 by 40, 400 by 400. Use 200 and 300. Run on Chrome. That is Also rounded circle, just you can change this one, rounded circle image thumbnail. Then you can display that same picture on other place where you want to, which farm and where you want to play that circle play. Also we can use all that circle. Suppose we want all pictures use circle shape, run it. It is resize because we change the size different from others. Let's can make size 304 236. Now check it again, all size same in the video. You can make it according your projects and website requirements. Thank you very much for watching our this video course. If you have any question about jumbotron and images, you can ask me, and I also provide you source code of this project details. You can practice it. If anywhere you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you very much for watching our videos.